in Germany, I was born in an amazing place. It was Frankfurt, um, which is now it's a typical city, but at 70s and 80s it was uh, something like island of full of refugees from around the world, especially Eastern Europe. Very big the Yugoslavian community, and Jewish from around the world, but especially from Eastern Europe. And this was the last time when Jewish people spoke Yiddish. So I heard this language, and it was mix of couple of languages in my house. So I started speaking some language, I think, when I was 4 or something, because it was too much languages. So my father, because he was born before the war, he remember Yiddish it was his language, first language, I think, maybe Polish too, but I don't know. And with his friends, they made something like a Stet tradition, but it was something different than this what we know from our books, this romantic view of Stet. This was typical Stet, but with all problems, but something new happened there. It's the people after the war, they wanted live like Janis Joplin or someone like this, that they want to keep everything very strong, and so this community of my father, they had they gambling a lot, they have a lot of women, mostly young, much younger than they are, and it was amazing, for me the culture, from these reasons, the Jewish culture is something much more open and completely outside outside of this mythology of Jewish culture. For me, mm, for example, my father was a gambler, but very serious gambler. He played for houses, cars, and even wives sometimes. Not my mother, but it happened, and and this is, and they spoke Yiddish in this gambling, and I saw this. My childhood is mostly cards, like my mother play, and because my father, he had this tradition, so he gave me this, that I know, it was my first toy was a card, so it's so this is the one of this part of my Jewish tradition, something like that. And second is this, that when they had some problems, they always go to synagogue. For example, when I was born, my father, in Germany they have a law that you have to find some uh, important person in a city, and this person sign your born
Birth certificate?
yeah, yeah. So my this mine this important person for mine birth certificate was a rabbi of Frankfurt. So it's funny, but generally I live out completely outside religion. My father, uh, even that he have only Jewish friends, he he don't want it to be recognized as a Jew. But of course he was typical, like. Even from these reasons that he was born before the war, so for him this world was much more normal,